Trouble melts like a lemon drops high above the chimney top. That's where you find